Julia?
What?
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom. Hold on.
Fuck the Hiccups!
God damn it! I'm on the fucking toilet! Get out!
Shit!
Danny! The door didn't shut! Shut the fucking door!
Do you have a pen?
Yo, hold on a second. Ah, shit! Shit! Ah, shit! Oh, shit! You look like Boss Hart's cock! I don't give a piece of shit! Why does our broom closet smell like an ass? Fuck you! Who gives a shit? You're an asshole! I'm gonna kick your ass!
Dad, the new neighbors are gonna hear you cussing and yelling and call the cops again.
I don't really fuck!
Well, the neighbors do.
Why does it always look like he smells shit?
And it says right here in the Guinness book, this guy was struck by lightning 7 times.
What a fucking dumbass! You're a stupid pecker.
I'm gonna tell Mom.
She already knows.
Well, you know what they say. You say tomatoes, I say tomatoes. Ha ha ha.
You can shove those tomatoes up your fat ass! Piss! Piss! Bat! Washcloth! And they didn't even put it in alphabetical order!
Dad, they're showing episodes of Knight Rider again on the Sci-Fi Channel.
Oh, shut up!
What are your thoughts on Charlie the Tuna?
He's an asswipe! Probably a fag. Then I got rear-ended by a shitty Mitsubishi! And there's something by the way his butt looks in those tight-ass jeans, and it's really pissing me off! He comes to my house! Has 6 pancakes, 6 sausages, and 3 glass orange juice! And then he gets in my bed and wants to play with my ass! I was married to Shalina for 15 damn years! And before that, I was married to some bitch named Barb.
Dad, what time is it? Dad, what time is it? Dad, what time is it? Dad, what time is it?
It's time for you to get a damn watch! Dickhead!
Dad! Dad! Dad!
What?
Dad, I made you some shit.
Get the fuck out of here!
Dad, it's Father's Day.
Fuck off!
Dad, I spent 30 minutes making breakfast.
You're an asshole!
Well, you know what, Dad? You're nothing but a no-good, inbred, drunk piece of crap.
Who is it? You're a piece of shit! 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 Shit!